If you're having a no crank, no start, it just clicks, you have a new starter, you know it's not your solenoid. This is a 6.5 dually K3500. Everyone's gonna say it's the solenoid, or check your fuses, or it's the lift pump, or I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be, if you have not changed your PMD, it is 99.99% the cause of your failure. After you relocate it, you go with the number 9 fuse so it doesn't pop anymore. No more problems. Starts up every single time. It's a must-have. You have to relocate your PMD. You just have to. It's gonna fail. One day or another, I was chasing my tail. So